Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Rock Cloud. Today, I want to talk about positive energy. I want to talk about the spirit guides. I want to talk about angels. I want to talk about Source God and this divine feminine nature that women are bringing back, and it is thriving all across the globe. Now, you know that I bring you guys these spiritual downloads that I get, and a lot of it may seem negative, but we live in a dualistic uh, uh, duality world where these negative and positive aspects will, meet up every now and then, but there's a thin line. There is nothing but positive that we have to look forward to in going through these movements that we are currently going through. Now, we have angels that are here watching over. We all have them, whether you are male, female, or child. We all have our angels that watch over us and guide us, just like our spirit guides. Spirit guides are a little bit different than angels. You can have multiple uh, spirit guides, from angels to past life relatives, and some of them may not even look human at all, but you have them from past lives and they watch over you as you are here. Also, you can have your grandparents too that are watching over you, and you can have also people that are still living that step out and watch over you from spirit form. So there's a multitude of angels and spirit guides and God that help guide you in so many ways. But I want to talk to you guys, especially the females that come across this channel, and also the females that are here with me and have been with me, pushing me along, motivating me to continue on with doing this type of work. Now, you guys are top notch. You get this information, you understand this information. You also give me information to look at that I see, and it inspires me to you know want to continue on. I didn't really think that. I thought maybe after a few episodes that I would just slide back out of the scene, but I know that you guys, you get this. At first, I didn't think that you would even understand what goes on, and I even had, close military people, say, if you could only just find one person, then you done your job. And that's all I was really looking for. I didn't really think that you guys would take to this information and understand it and process it in this manner. So I really appreciate you guys, uh, being a part of this growing channel. And yes, there's a lot of things that get held back, from, things that I can't control. But I'm just happy that, you women are leading this world into a higher vibrational frequency. I think if you guys didn't have this information, didn't have it spiritually within your divine essence, your divine soul, that us men, we will be in trouble. Now, we can grab all types of high-tech military equipment that you guys just don't know about, and go out there gun ho, and we can meet up with these galactic Federation councils and kick ass out there. But I think it's the women here that hold these divine portals within them, that us men, we stand beside you and guard these portals, these natural portals that you have within your soul, within your divine feminine nature. We guard them. But if you wasn't here to help us, to guide us, we couldn't make it. We really could not make it. So I tip my hat to all the women here. And I thank God for the women of this world. You guys are beautiful creatures of the Most High. I mean, words cannot explain just how special women are to this planet and across the galaxy. The nurturing energy that y'all bring here is bringing back the life of this planet. Us men, we cannot do that. We cannot do that, bring that type of nature here. We can guard the planet and bring that masculine energy here, but without your energy, it wouldn't work. This planet would have been dead a long time ago. So I just want to give tribute to all the women of this world. I thank you 1,000 times. You guys get this knowledge. I think you already have it within your genetic spiritual codes. I think this is just lost information that we all are remembering from these cosmic battles. And you guys understand. Women are really getting this information. And guys, I know you guys really understand this information too. But women, I mean, I got to be honest, they're taking this information to a whole new level. And I think if they were not backing us, none of this stuff that we do could be possible. None of it. So I tip my hat to every human being. I tip my hat to every spiritual being. Women have divine spiritual portals within them. And if it wasn't for you guys giving birth to these higher dimensional beings that need to be here, we watch over as father and mothers, and we bring them up to evolve this human experience. But they too come in with their codes activated, and at some point they step into their divine nature, their mission, just like you guys. And everything that we do is going to start in the household. So my one wish is to see worldwide that we as men and women come back together and bring that family unit back. This is a very beautiful, positive energy that we both have, and it needs to be connected once again. I believe it is coming back. I believe, we all had to step outside and see certain things to reunite that energy again. So I just wanted this video to be about, the women. I watch, I go to other channels, and I see in the comment sections that 90% of the women, you guys have this inner knowing, this spiritual power, this spiritual abundance about you guys. I've never seen this before in all my days. Um, how you guys are just unrolling with this knowledge. And I just want to encourage you guys to continue on. It's beautiful. Every lady here in this channel, I thank you guys for being here and commenting and saying all these beautiful spiritual words, encouraging our words, because people, new people that see this stuff, they're like, man, this is a channel that you know have beautiful people here, and they understand, and they are committed to being a part of something that's positive. So our galactic brothers and sisters, they are, you know, keeping their promise. They are showing up, and hopefully we can turn this world around and get this free energy out, so that we can bring our technology and experience and this and combine it with this divine feminine nature uh, to make this world better for the future. So I love, honor, and respect you guys. I just wanted to speak on a positive note and just give tribute um, to you ladies out there. I see you. You get it. And I'm thankful. So I love, honor, and respect all of you. Have a good day.